When you search for wireless car phone mounts, everything looks the same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what actually works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, LISEN MagSafe Car Mount Charger. First up is the LISEN for 15W MagSafe Car Mount Charger. Priced at just $15.27, it caught my attention with its sleek design and strong magnetic hold. If you want a reliable way to charge your phone while driving, this is worth a serious look. What makes this mount stand out is its 15W wireless charging capabilities. This means you can just place your phone on it, and it starts charging immediately, which is perfect for those long drives when your phone is needed for GPS or music. Plus, with a magnetic hold that can support up to 8 phones at once, it's designed to stay put even on bumpy roads. And if you're worried about compatibility, it works with most recent iPhones and Samsung models, thanks to its magnet alignment feature. Now, some people complained about the requirement for a specific type of case for optimal charging. Here's the thing though, if you use a compatible MagSafe case or go bare, you're getting one of the best mounts for the price. This is perfect for you if you want a simple, effective charging solution while driving. Skip this one if you don't have a MagSafe compatible phone case. With great value for the price, it's an excellent buy. Now, if the need for a specific case bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, LISEN Lever Lock Car Mount Charger. Next is another LISEN product, the Lever Lock Magnetic Car Mount Charger, priced at $26.79. What really caught my eye was its patented lever lock vacuum suction design, making installation a breeze. If you're looking for a hassle-free mounting experience, this one might be for you. The industrial-grade suction cup can hold up to 118 pounds, ensuring it won't budge regardless of road conditions. It also features a tri-axis metal arm, allowing you to get the perfect angle for navigation without blocking your view. Plus, the zero-obstruction design means you won't have to deal with any annoying clamps. However, some users mentioned that the suction could weaken over time. Here's why that's not a deal-breaker. It can easily be restored by cleaning the suction cup and surface, so you can keep using it without needing a replacement. This is perfect for you if you prioritize quick installation and ease of use. Skip this one if you're looking for something that can attach to the dashboard instead of the windshield. It's a solid investment for convenience on the road. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a truly military-grade solution. Product number 3, VANMASS Military-Grade Car Phone Holder. Coming in at number 3 is the VANMASS Military-Grade Car Phone Holder, priced at $25.97. Its military-grade certification immediately caught my attention, promising durability and reliability. If you're looking for something that can withstand the test of time, this might be the one for you. It's compatible with nearly all phones and cases, making it a versatile choice for anyone. The one-click release feature is super convenient for quick access, and the 360-degree rotation lets you adjust to any angle you need. But I noticed some customers mentioned that the installation instructions could be clearer. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, the flexibility and sturdiness really shine, so it's worth a little patience. This is perfect for you if you want a mount that's both sturdy and versatile. Skip this one if you prefer a more straightforward design with simpler installation. For its quality, it's a good value. Now, if you're looking for something that really focuses on magnetic strength, the next product is all about that. Product number 4, ANDERY MagSafe Car Mount Charger. At number 4, we have the ANDERY MagSafe Car Mount Charger, priced at $32.99. What really impressed me was its combination of an adjustable car mount and a wireless charger in one sleek package. If you want a mount that doubles as a charger without hassle, this is a great option. The 360-degree rotation means you can set your phone to landscape or portrait easily, which is perfect for navigation while driving. It also features a premium build that not only looks great but feels solid and reliable. However, some users noted that it might not fit well on all types of dashboards. Here's the thing, as long as you have a flat surface, the suction is incredibly strong and reliable, so it's not a huge problem. This is perfect for you if you're an iPhone user looking for a stylish and functional mount. Skip this one if you need something that works on unusual dashboard shapes. Given its performance, it's worth the investment. Finally, we're wrapping up with a budget-friendly option that doesn't skimp on performance. Product number 5. ILOYU MagSafe Car Mount Charger. Last but not least is the ILOYU MagSafe Car Mount Charger, priced at just $19.98. The affordability combined with its features genuinely surprised me. If you want a high-quality mount without breaking the bank, this is a solid choice. This charger promises 15W fast wireless charging and a load-bearing capacity that won't disappoint. The dual fixation design offers stability even on bumpy roads, and the 360-degree rotation lets you position your phone exactly how you want it for easy access. Plus, installation is a breeze, taking less than a minute. However, some users found it less effective on curved surfaces. Here's why that's not a deal breaker. If you have a flat dashboard, this mount will serve you exceptionally well and offer great value. This is perfect for you if you need an economical yet effective solution for your car. Skip this one if your dashboard has lots of curves. For its price and functionality, it's a steal. So there you have it. The LISEN MagSafe Car Charger offers a great budget solution, while the lever lock model is all about convenience. The VANMASS phone holder provides military-grade durability, the ANDERY model nails the magnetic strength, and the ILOYU gives you fantastic value for your money. Whatever your needs, there's a perfect mount for you.